Monetizing your blog, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to explore a very exciting topic: how to monetize a blog. This is especially useful for those who love blogging and are looking to turn their passion into a profitable venture. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to monetize a blog. Monetization, in simple terms, means making money from something. When we talk about monetizing a blog, it means finding ways to earn income through your blog. This can be achieved through various methods like advertisements, sponsored content, selling products or services, and more. Before you start making money from your blog, there are a few important steps you need to take. 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic that you are passionate about. 2. Create quality content. Regularly post informative and engaging content. 3. Grow your audience. Use social media, SEO, and networking to attract and retain readers. There are several ways to monetize a blog. Let's look at some of the most popular ones. 1. Advertisements. Join advertising networks like Google AdSense to display ads on your blog. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products, services, and earn a commission for every sale made through your blog. 3. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands to create content for a fee. 4. Selling products or services. Offer your own products or services like ebooks, courses, or consulting. To successfully monetize your blog, consider these best practices. Consistency is key. Regularly update your blog with new content. Understand your audience. Know what your readers like and tailor your content accordingly. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one method of monetization. Avoid these common pitfalls. Neglecting the quality of content. Never compromise on the quality of your content for the sake of monetization. Overdoing advertisements. Too many ads can drive readers away. Ignoring your audience's needs. Always keep your audience's interests in mind. Monetizing your blog can be a rewarding journey, blending your passion for writing with the opportunity to earn. Remember, it takes time, effort, and patience. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to monetize your blog effectively. Happy blogging, and here's to your success!